All right, here we go. It's me, it's Paulie C, about to do my very first live unboxing. Got this great Topps 2010 Wacky Packages blaster box series 7. This blaster box contains 5 packs plus 1 extra pack plus 1 bonus sticker. There's a chance for foil stickers, parallel cards, autograph cards, sketch cards. There is a lot of exciting possibilities. I've had this since 2010. I've had it for a little while here. It is now 2021. So I've had it for about 10 years now, and I've never opened it. So I realized, you know what? You only live once, and let's have some fun. And I'm trying to open this thing. So let's get it started. Here it is here. Wacky Packages stickers. This product is not authorized or endorsed by any of the companies who are subject of parody. The products we are spoofing, including our own, are all good ones. No kidding. So as you can see, this is got the real Topps plastic on the top. Got the side profile art here. Pretty cool. All right. So there's some odds to get some stuff here. Approximate odds. Special inserts. 1 in 4. Sketch cards. 1 in 2,340 packs. Okay. So here we go. Autograph cards, 1 in 701. This is factory sealed. I'm gonna open this thing live right now on this video. And here we go. I won't cut myself. Wacky Packages Series 7. Been out for a while. I remember them when I was a kid. Just the older ones that they had. Oh, wow. This is neat. So there's the Topps plastic. Pretty cool. And here we go. Good looking box. I love the artwork on this. Got all the cool stuff. Mountain Dude, Battle Pop, Dits. Come on, autograph or sketch card. Wow. Oh, it's been a while since I've cracked open a nice blaster box. Wow, look at those. Couple packs in there, couple little packs. Let's do this. Oh, wow. Right out of the gates. Babasol. Babasol is the bonus sticker exclusive to this blaster box. You get 1 bonus sticker, B4, Buster. Babasol, bonus sticker. Pretty cool. I like it. Okay, that's it to start. Couple packs here. You get 6 total packs. 8 stickers in each. Oh, it's heavy. Oh, there's some weight to these. Wow. There is some weight to them. There's 6 packs. All feature the same artwork. Wow. Here we go. Our first pack. Sometimes, 1 rare Whack-O-Mercial sticker per pack. Okay. Well, how rare is it? It's 1 per pack. Oh, as I rip it right across. Good start for the first one. Blubber King. Whack-O-Mercials. Looks like that's the rare one. V6 engine oil. V6 engine oil. Card 8. It's pretty cool. Wendy's. Can you smell a bargain? Ghoul Scouts. I like this one. I've seen this one. This is card 1 in the series. And we got a checklist card. 2010. Pretty cool. Flab Breeze. Okay. Irish Bling. I like the backs of the cards too. Always have some cool Other ad, card 20. Bunions, foot-flavored things. Okay. 26, pretty good one. Ditz, got the puzzle map. Burnt bees. Singed insects. Lip balm. Yeah, like that. Fruity peppers. Oh, that's cool. Chickless. Alone. Alone and Chickless. Michael Chickless. Gum for Geeks without girlfriends. 12 solitary pieces. Okay. It's pretty funny. Card 5. You got Pounds. Oh, there's a red, our first parallel card here. Red border or orange border. 15 of 20. Oh, this is the Whack-A-Commercials. Okay, 15 of 20. The red border. There's 20 of those. Okay, and Blubber King. Have it your weight. Nice, 20 of 20. So 2 Whack-A-Commercials, including a parallel Whack-A-Commercial. I guess that's pretty rare. All right, cool. Let's start it out. Here we go. Next up, let me see our Whack-A-Commercials there. Anthony Selligan. Okay. Vitamin Water. Vitamin Water is awesome. That one is actually pretty funny. Deep Blue Sea with Great White. 20 fathoms. Shark Infested Beverage. What up, y'all? Oh, this might be a keeper. This is a keeper card for me. I like that one a lot. That might be a keeper. Keeper. Vampire Midnight Snack Marshmallows. They're pretty funny. Oh, another checklist. Another checklist with the vampire. Pretty cool. Tiny Cats. Peeweenie. Quicksand Kitty cat litter. Oh my god. The Mountain Dude. That's neat. Oh, just for Wolfman. What? Yes. I can't believe that. Just for Wolfman card 3. It's a pretty good series. That's so funny. Chuckums. Rock candy. That's pretty funny. Stuffers. Force-fed Pusheroni. That's funny. Pure Elf. Oh man, these ads are so funny, these coupons. It's just like, it's pretty funny. Card 41, that was Stuffers. All right, we got 42, Armor Mall. Wash and Wax. Armor Mall. And Wrestled Rat. Bimpkin Dimwits. Hillbilly Coffee. Backwoods Brew. America Runs on Bumpkins. Bumpkin Dimwits. Art 7. All right. Oh, the Kiss Cat. Yes. Kiss Cat. Your kitty will lick and purr all night and party every day. Catnip wafers. Yes. Rock on. That actually might be a keeper too. Maggoty Ann Zombie Doll. The doll with a heart. There's a Whack-A-Commercial. That's a rare, apparently, Whack-A-Commercial 19 to 20. All right, there's nothing really else in that one. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, looks like a blank something right here. This is a blank thing. Again, I'm opening these live. I have never opened this series. That's a blank, a blank card on the back. So let's see here. We got Ditz, 19. Gadivas. Log Coffin. Eternal Peace and Pancakes in a Sweet Maple Casket. Embalming Syrup. Love it. Miracle Weep. Airsick Stink Ups. Miniature Made. That's cute. Old Slice Crusty Deodorant Stink. Cheesy scent. That's gross. 44. Gortons Fish Skeletons. That's a really gross one. Baby Battle Pops. This is hilarious. Baby Battle Pops. Oh my goodness. Camouflage candy. The Dits checklist one. Uh-oh, there's something behind there. There's something behind there. Play-Doh's Conk Out Clay. The Ooze That's a Real Snooze. Card 2. And we got a bird's eye. Bird's eyes on the back. And whoa, this is like a prism card here. It's beautiful. Beautiful card here. Maggoty and Zombie Doll. So we got a prism Whack-A-Mercial. Foil, I guess. Card there. Parallel. We got a Chopper Tone. Also Whack-A-Mercial. 11 of 20. Chopper Tone Route 66. That's a good one. And then looks like this was the blank card. And it is actually a promotional card. That is pretty cool. To shop their thing, get a promotional sticker and the binder for the series. That is really neat. So look for maybe a sketch card to come on this. Wacky Packages themed. Perhaps. We will see. I'm going to set that aside. Blank one. We got a couple more. 3 more packs. Let's get to open them. Oh, another blank card. As I said it, another blank card. So we got the one blank card. Snore. I'm not even going to say it. Snore sausages in a blanket. Snorsages. Snorsages. Oh, look. Our first Kit Kat puzzle piece. Iris Stings. Annoying so. We got some puzzle pieces in here. It's nice. Morton Salt. Like these puzzle pieces. Mountain Dude. Grape Newts. Card 29. Like this one a lot. Artwork on that is sharp. Grape Newts. Oh, another Mountain Dude. Interesting, interesting. Handless Pinkies. Okay, that one is a little bit gross. We got the Kiss Cat, though. That's a cool one. 23. Kiss Cat back. Death Savers. Fear Mints. The Dits puzzle piece. That's card 15. All right, we got a Whack-A-Mercial, another Whack-A-Mercial insert set, 17 and 20, Spread Bull, negative energy drink. And this is a orange or red parallel Whack-A-Mercial and a Stealthy Choice, 7 of 20, Whack-A-Mercial standard black, and another cool blank card. So might do some sketch cards on those. We got 2 more packs. Let's get something good. This is live and direct. Come on. Boredom. That's why I'm opening these to begin with. Here we go. All right. Vitamin Z's. Card 14. Oh, Dits puzzle piece. Twitly Tea. Conspiracy Theory blend. Dits puzzle piece. That's cool. Card 13. 48. Crutch Orange. Oh, the Kiss Cat. Yes. Art's pretty cool there. Kiss Cat. Card 48. Card 47. Toupee Ramen. Noggins of Noodles. Toupee Ramen. Another Kiss Cat. Puzzle. Clunky Soup. Awesome. Kiss Cat puzzle. I wonder if we have the full thing. Dorkitos Drool Ranch. Those are cool. The Mountain Dude checklist, or the puzzle map. Jal-O. Jiggly Freely. 45. That's a good one. And then finally our Whack-A-Mercial, 1 in each pack. 18 of 20 wobblers. All right, final pack. Here we go. This is exciting. Drum roll, please. Let me take a sip of coffee. And let's do it. Whack-A-Mercial, Guitar Zero. Honey Tomb, Cereal for Mummies, 24. Fruit Oops. Head and Smolders, 39. Molten Shampoo with the creepies, the creepy crackers, creepy paper. Bruises Fist Break, Packs a Punch, card 12. Up. Dits, Puzzle Piece, Cuts, Razor Thin, Potential, this is pretty funny. Cuts, Dits, Sea Germs. Oh, I like this one. Ginger Algae, the taste will grow on you. That is funny. Like that a lot. We got the Frayed, Shrill on Contact, Duraflame. Oh, here's our foil. So that was like a prism on the other one. Foil 5. There it is. And Guitar Zero. That's our Whack-A-Mercial. Thank you guys. See you next time.